Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Beyonce's Halo on piano using an easy method. We will break down the song into manageable parts, starting with the iconic intro. First, we will focus on the right-hand melody, then move to the left-hand chords. By the end, you will be able to play a recognizable version of this beautiful song, even if you are a beginner. Let's get started with the basics. For the right-hand melody, we will begin with a few key notes. Place your thumb or finger one on middle C. Then use your third finger for G and your fifth finger for A. The main melody uses a simple pattern, often repeating. Practice playing these notes slowly and deliberately, ensuring each one sounds clear. Aim for a consistent rhythm, counting to 4 for each measure as you play. Now let's simplify the left-hand chords. We will use 4 basic chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These are fundamental chords that sound great together. For C major, play C, E, and G. For G major, play G, B, and D. A minor uses A, C, and E, and F major uses F, A, and C. Practice switching between these 4 chords smoothly, holding each for 4 counts. The final step is to combine both hands. Start by practicing each hand individually until you feel confident. Then bring them together at a very slow pace. Focus on coordinating the right-hand melody with the left-hand chords. Once you are comfortable, gradually increase your speed. Using a metronome can be incredibly helpful to maintain a steady rhythm. With consistent practice, you will be playing Halo beautifully in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.